Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, June 5th, 2013. Markets get hit in the mouth. We have the S&P down 1.4%, the Dow down 1.4%, NASDAQ down 1.3%, the Russell's down 1.4%. Banks off more than 1%. VIX higher by nearly 8% at 17.5. Fear indicator on the rise. Gold up a fraction, silver the same. Crude oil up 0.18% with US dollar down 0.2%. And see transportation down a huge amount, nearly 2% down. Take a look here at the S&P Daily. Had this nice run up and a bull flag that never come to fruition. It never did break out, but instead, as we said yesterday, if it breaks this lower trend line, woe to the markets. Sure enough, that's precisely what happened. We do have a rising 50-day moving average coming up here, but the markets are in significant trouble at this moment. Look here at the weekly chart. We broke a weekly trend line also. Now the week's not over with yet. It could rally back in strongly. However, if it doesn't do that, this market is in significant trouble. We do have a crossover in the MACD oscillator. We are heading southbound. So be watching that like a hawk. If you look at the monthly chart, you'll see that we have a lower high and we are dropping, heading lower. Back on the daily chart, our next area of major support would be right around 1600. So be watching that. Gold continues up here above this trend line right here, but it's making kind of a bear flag. If I were to draw Fibonacci from this swing high down, you'll see we hung up at the 50% Fibonacci. So that is problematic for this bear flag. That means we could break down on gold. I'm no longer in gold and happy not to be there. Low base here on silver. So right now we're just at these major lows, and if it starts to break below 21, watch out with silver. Take a look at Google here. Google is actually positive by 0.07%, but we still have a bull flag intact here. So this could still rally. So if you're holding Google, I'd say don't get out of this yet. And Apple, the problem with Apple is what happened yesterday. We closed down below a trend line, and we are decisively below it now, below the 100-day and the 20-day moving averages. So we are seeing weakness now. And then Facebook is just pitiful. It is down 2.64% today alone. So really, really bad shape for Facebook. So there you have it. Hope all is well with you. Make sure that you go through the 101 courses, and if you want those emailed to you, just go to the main site there and get registered. Free online, tradingeducation.com. But just fill this information in, and we will email you every couple trading days a new video for the 101 courses. People are loving that, so hope that'll be a benefit to you. And also, you can take the 101 courses here, get into the chart school, and you'll definitely want to look into some mentoring here. And we also have some classes coming up tomorrow night that I think will be of benefit to you guys, so stay tuned.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.